What is cultural heritage? And why does it matter, especially today, in a fast-changing world? In Module 1, Introduction to Cultural Heritage, you'll explore the rich tapestry of traditions, objects, and knowledge passed down through generations. Heritage isn't just ancient ruins or old books, it's living, breathing, and part of your everyday life. From local stories to global treasures, you'll learn how heritage shapes who we are and how it connects people, communities, and nature. Tangible and intangible, cultural heritage includes everything from festivals and rituals to sustainable crafts, family heirlooms, and even poetry. You'll also discover the role of UNESCO and how communities, especially young people, are key to protecting and reimagining heritage for the future. Get ready to think critically, work as a team, and take action, right in your own community. Because cultural heritage isn't just about the past. It's a powerful tool for shaping a more sustainable, creative, and inclusive world.